Hey guys, if you're getting this washer fluid level low notification on your BMW, I'm going to show you how to add washer fluid. This is a very easy fix. Just first open the hood and find the washer fluid cap, open it up and add washer fluid into it. I live in Finland, so I'm using washer fluid which is good for up to -20 degrees so that it doesn't freeze. So let's pour in the washer fluid. You'll notice when the reservoir is getting full, and then when you have enough fluid in there, just close the cap and you're done, and the notification will be gone. Hope this helps. Give it a thumbs up if it was. Bye.